Online marketing can grow your local business quickly. With so many advertising options to choose from, it's easy for businesses to overlook one of the most successful strategies like online marketing. An astounding 1 out of every $4 spent globally is on the internet. You'll be amazed at the power of online marketing to help you gain more customers. We caught up with one of the leading experts in online marketing who has some powerful tips for you when it comes to getting new customers.
We get asked by business owners all across the country, what are the successful businesses doing to grow in spite of downturn environments using online media resources? The problem is that it is difficult for a business owner who has many roles to play and responsibilities to fulfill to find the time to do all the research it takes and the learning it needs and successfully communicate their message across to the right target audience who are looking for their services. This is a problem for most business owners, as it can take months and years of learning to navigate the technology maze, get it to work right, and attract the right customers to grow their business. And the good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult once they gain the right knowledge and institute the right strategy on how to use the right technology, media, and platforms that save time and advance the business to new heights. Most businesses could be enjoying a lot more success and grow a lot faster if they use the right media where their target audience is searching for their services. For example, we recently helped a dentist in Florida who had been quite frustrated with the quality and unreliability of the service he was using, plus the large chunk of expenses he had incurred. He booked a brief consultation with us and literally followed the industry insider secrets we shared. And within a few days of implementing these secrets, he was shocked at how simple, easy, and fast it was to attract new patients and have new appointments booked, using the formats and strategies we suggest. But for most business owners, finding and using the right media resources and technology can be quite intimidating and frustrating. So, I'd like to lay out a few tips for anyone who wants to start using successful strategies right away. Number 1, use the same platforms the target audience is using and have an irrefutable presence there. This almost immediately improves performance. Number 2, speak to reliable consultants to help present the business as an authority in the field, cutting through trust issues, drawing new customer almost immediately. Number 3, make sure the process saves time and budget resources, which can then be reassigned to enhancing business online profiles, presence, and right marketing to grow the business. There aren't many services that provide the luxury of showing off a business in the right light as an authority, gaining the trust and business of the viewer. This becomes a powerful way to get the message across, breaking down barriers of trust. People become customers of who they know, like, and trust. Our expertise is showing business owners how to position themselves as authorities in their field. We focus on helping business owners make a huge success of their businesses using the online media platforms. We make it simple, easy, and affordable for anyone in the industry to reach their growth goals faster and easier than before. We are happy to help because the market has shifted, and it's important now more than ever for a local business owner to stay ahead of the competitors and attract more business in their community. Next time, we will discuss how to convert the visitors into taking action and becoming a customer. This is just the beginning of how to take the reins into their own hands and start seeing the continuous growth of their business. To learn more, the viewers can go to scoresmediaproductions.com for valuable insights and speak with a consultant who can provide them the right information to turn visitors into paying customers in record time. Anyone interested in seeing results right away within the next 24 hours can request to participate in our beta program, which we are reserving to a few business owners in the area.
Fascinating, isn't it? As you see, there's huge potential with the right approach to your online marketing strategy. Customers are looking for you every day. Your business just needs to get found. So regardless of the size of your local business, taking the strategy that you just heard and putting it into action can take your business to the next level. I know you're excited. Are you ready to start getting more customers? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.